Let's talk about eugenics and unwanted immigration. Many studies were published showing biological difference between different races. These only serve to further reinforce a certain way of thinking. As the video says, the discourse that was being fed was as follows. There are us and there are the others, and we're the right people. We're the people that it's important not only to favor now, but we're the people who have to own the future. Politicians, scientists, and public leaders use the idea of eugenics, a supposed science of heredity, to say that some groups were genetically better or worse. As the video says, in 1920, some 75,000 immigrants were living at Ellis Island each month. An example of how these ideas are still present was the controversial advertisement of the American Eagle brand that referred to the great genes, showing a white actress with blue eyes and blonde hair. So it was a reality that the Nordic race, as Madison Grant called them, was falling behind demographically. Congress began to hold exhibitions where they showed, for example, that Italians had a higher level of criminality than other people. These and many other evidences showed how the other races were the wrong ones. Many modern policies somehow reflect beliefs about cultural or racial desirability, not because there is a program called eugenics, but because certain policies demonstrate selective exclusion or attitudes that criminalize or dehumanize specific groups, thus deciding who deserves to stay. As mentioned in the documentary, there came a time when the doors were closed and immigration dropped by 97%. Many compare current policies to that term of closing the doors and kind of choosing who should stay. Finally, the documentary invites us to think about what defines being American or who gets to be American. In reality, policies such as asylum restrictions and mass deportations mainly affect people from Mexico, Central America, the Caribbean, and African countries. This shows a pattern whereby certain origins are seen as a problem or a threat, which influence who receives protection and who is just expelled. According to the documentary, to be American, you must have certain characteristics, mainly physical, such as blue eyes and light hair, which according to them demonstrate that you have better genes, making you a more valuable person or simply better in every way. All these ideas and policies continue to influence the decision of who belongs and who does not, leaving out all those who do not meet these characteristics. An example of how these ideas are still present was the controversial advertisement of the American Eagle brand that referred to the great genes, showing a white actress with blue eyes and blonde hair.